What's going on? JakeOfALL. And this is a 2-minute review and the countdown's going. So we're not going to babble. We're going to just try to talk about what we want to talk about. And that is, we got a nice little 3D printed accessory from DennisSmallbone, DennisSmallbonePrints.com. You guys have seen, I've shown his stuff off. He makes some awesome stuff. And today we're going to tackle these guys, the squares. Stand them on your shelf, whatever, they're falling over. You're OCD about where all your tools are, you want to hang them. The wife said, why don't you just put a screw on the wall? That's boring. We like 3D printed accessories. So what we've got here is this sweet little square rack. Screws right to your wall. Big one. Your little one. Nice and pimp looking. You can see that you spent all that extra money just to get red. Milwaukee tools, looks good. Holds in there. You can put this in your van. You can put this right on your wall in your shop. I am going to screw it into the workshop on the plywood. And yeah, looking pretty good. What else? Nothing really else to show you here. He sort of embossed his name into it. It's pretty sweet, but you know, will be hidden. Other than that, you could use it with non-Milwaukee squares, since this is usually a standard size. And he gave you a little bit of room there. There's a chamfer to that. Squares go in easily. Nicely printed, well done. Dennis sent me a couple other extra things, but he knew I was going to reorganize the shop, so I will be showing you some more stuff. So don't forget to check out DennisSmallbonePrints.com. We have 10 seconds. I'm the JakeOfALL, and I'm going to pack out of here.